Hello, my name is Stefan, and this is Budget Printing, Hints, Tips, and Cheats with Bowen 3D. In this video, we will continue with testing my budget solution to the solar turntable for 3D resin printing, pushing it to its limits with the load of prints I already have for another project of mine. What we covered in the last video, how I came up with a solution to hopefully solve the small bed issue with the solar-powered turntable. Have I solved this issue, or will I be looking for another solution? Let's get testing to find out. First, let's put it all together. The extension plate and the original turntable plate fits together just perfect. The part is printed with PETG filament. It is not only durable but resistant to UV exposure and is washable. A link to download the STL and also a link to purchase can be found in the description below. Now let's carry on and see what happens when I keep adding models and prints to the plate. A few little judders there when I touched the base plate with my hand, I did notice. But I keep dropping more on, and it still keeps on going.
This is the most I've ever put on here since coming up with this idea. Let's keep going. I wonder how much it will take. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's stop right there. Something doesn't feel right with this video. I think I know what to do. Let's try changing the background music. That's better. Starting to run out of space to place them. I will just drop them randomly instead. Ooh, it did look like it was going to stop them, but it didn't, so let's keep going. There's a bit of space left here, and there. What about over here? Really starting to run out of space. Let's start dropping them on top. It looks like it wants to slow down, but it just keeps going. I can't believe it's still going. I'm starting to run out of prints to put on. I'm actually impressed. I didn't think it would keep going like this. Wow, that's all of my project prints, and it just keeps going. I don't know about you, but I give this a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these solar-powered turntables in the comments below. Do you have any DIY resin curing setups, or an off-the-shelf one? Let me know below. I'm curious to what other people's setups are.
For more budget hints, tips and cheats like this, please follow and subscribe.